Hey, Sam from 3D here. What if I told you that if you had a graphics tablet, there was a way you could draw directly in 3D space using Blender? Some of you might think I am crazy, while others might know I am obviously talking about Blender's Grease Pencil. However, what if I told you that not only is it a free tool, but you can also use it without even drawing at all? Today we will be looking at what Grease Pencil is, as well as its many use cases. But first, if your business or portfolio website is in serious need of a level up, look no further than 3D.design, an award-winning studio with some of the world's largest 3D libraries. Link in the description below. Grease Pencil can actually be used in two main ways. In 2D animation window, it is a full system that integrates 3D tools like selection, editing and linking into the 2D workflow of drawing and animating. In the 3D window, however, it is actually a very unique 3D object that, in simple terms, allows you to draw in 3D space, although it can actually do much more than that. So let's look at how it can be used. If you are working in the 2D animation window of Blender, chances are you are already using the Grease Pencil, as it is a system that integrates existing features such as drawing, layering, brush sizes, and brush opacity, as well as pen pressure settings, with things like sculpting, rigging, onion skinning, and many more. This workflow gives artists new levels of freedom to explore even the wildest animation ideas. However, it is not only used in the 2D animation window, but in the 3D workspace as well. In the 3D workspace, Grease Pencil is a very unique 3D object that allows the user to draw directly into 3D space, among other useful things. Because it is classified as an object, it can also make use of things like modifiers, materials, and animation, and it even comes with a series of visual effects that you can apply to it, which adds a whole other layer of utility. It can be used to add the highly desired cartoonish look to objects, either by drawing onto them or by adding a Grease Pencil object to an existing object, and using it to project line art onto it. It can also be used by artists to quickly and effectively storyboard animations, or even plan out VFX. Some architects and designers use it to create simple planning sketches, and it can even be used as a reference tool by either writing in the viewport or making identifiable markings. While basic sketching and animation with Grease Pencil is fairly easy, it can get rather complex and daunting, just like most other 3D tools. The difference with Grease Pencil and its commercial competitors, however, is that it is a free tool that is found natively within Blender already, so it doesn't require any additional setup. Furthermore, because it is free and available for everyone, there is a large incentive for creators to create high-quality educational content for it, and there is a vast amount of free, beginner-friendly tutorials available that is dedicated to Grease Pencil, so getting started is as easy as opening Blender and watching a YouTube video. Some of the best ones that we could find are from the creators KD Sketch and CG Cookie. As you can see, if you are an animator on a budget, or even just a regular 3D artist, it is extremely worth it to consider adding Grease Pencil to your workflow for its efficiency and utility, not to mention its sheer value versus its competitors. That's all for this video, folks. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, remember to hit the like button and subscribe so you never miss future content. And once again, if your business or portfolio website is in need of an upgrade, check out 3D.design in the description below. See you again next time.